people, I'm telling you something. God is the greatest and nothing will be time. Always remember to do good. Good will follow you. God is the greatest. Big up that kind gentleman at the embassy. When we got there on Tuesday or Monday, I spoke to him on Tuesday and I spoke to him a while ago. And he gave me good words of encouragement. So big up to that man at the embassy. Big up the US Embassy. Big up Gaza Nation. God is the greatest. Never forget. What is under my nose? I'm out.
We are coming into the man, sir. See the two coordinator them, yeah? The two wicked.
One. See them.
If you're not going to get back to me.
If you're still looking at me, get back my visa. Where's the bed?
What is on the menu?
Me I say look like, oh, him not sensible neither.
Well, on Saturday, I got a poom. I'm here about KARTEL. I come to perform a Kenya.
Your mouth I gonna put you in a problem.
You see, let me tell you something, say. It's when you're young and fool, you will grow you out, you know. It's when you're old and fool, and done you don't rest, done
You pay him 1 million pesos.
you. What you say?
Wait, oh, you're not dead yet.
Shut up your mouth, man, and stop keeping no argument with me.
You're serious? Listen, don't kill the message.
Kiss me, rascal. Me I tell you wickedness can't done. Me fi kill him instant. It's a big stone if you get in face straight.
Don't kill the message.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.